It's something that's in your DNA and you just love it. And when you work for great people, it does become a fun deal. My name is Bill Fecho and I'm a sales manager at Ryan Buick GMC and Ryan Cadillac. I think I was 23 when I started, and it's not a hard date to forget because I started working for Mr. Ryan, who's a die-hard Irishman obviously, on St. Patrick's Day of 1975. Actually I worked 75 into 78 and I was out west for a while, and then I took a 30-year hiatus before I came back in 2008. Our clientele, for me right now, is maybe skewed a little older than, say, a Nissan store or a Honda store or something. So I seem to fit that clientele a little better, and I relate to them. The one thing that's been consistent in this business, we've had a lot of cars, we've had not many cars. Your success depends on how you treat your customers and what your relationship with your customers are. When I started, Cruise was a pretty nice option. Now we have Super Cruise, the electronics, the navigation, all that stuff. I mean, I go back to the point when I started selling, we didn't have anything but a regular cab pickup. And now we sell almost all four-wheel drive. But technologically, the advances are amazing and the quality is awful, awful good. I love the product, I love the store. They always say if you find a job you love, you never work a day in your life. And I can tell you I do love this job, but there have been some days I've had to work.